Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and happy. This is grade 3 and I am your science teacher, Mrs. Hina Javed. Dear students, our unit number 8, heat, is continue and today we will discuss about thermometers. Dear students, it's our reading time. We will start reading page number 54. Let's start reading with me. Thermometers. To find out how hot something is, we use an instrument called a thermometer. You can see here thermometer. Thermometer is an instrument by which we can find out how hot something. To find out how hot something is, we use an instrument called a thermometer. Thermometer, it is just like an instrument by which we can find out how hot something is. A thermometer is a closed glass tube. You can see here this thermometer has both sides closed. At one end, it has a bulb filled with a liquid called mercury. This end is called bulb and bulb is filled with a liquid that is called mercury. There is a scale of numbers marked on the tube. You can see here different types of number. So there is a scale of numbers marked on the tube. If we dip the bulb into something warm, the liquid inside rises up the tube. If we will dip this thermometer into something warm, the liquid inside, the mercury inside the thermometer rises up the tube. We can use the scale to read the level of the liquid. The level of the liquid shows how hot something is. A doctor uses a thermometer to measure how hot our body is when we are sick or we have temperature. Again, read with me. To find out how hot something is, we use an instrument called a thermometer. A thermometer is a closed glass tube. At one end, it has a bulb filled with a liquid called mercury. You can see here this end is called bulb and bulb filled with a liquid that is called mercury. MERCURY. There is a scale of numbers marked on the tube. You can see different types of number on thermometer. If we dip the bulb into something warm, the liquid inside rises up the tube. We can use the scale to read the level of the liquid. The level of the liquid shows how hot something is. If we will put this thermometer in something warm, the liquid inside rises up the tube. And we can use the scale to read the level of the liquid. A doctor uses a thermometer to measure how hot our body is when we are sick or we have temperature. Now, dear students, here is question. Label the drawing of a thermometer. Now we will label the different parts of thermometer. You can see here different parts of thermometer. This is called bulb. This is called bulb. A thermometer is a closed glass tube. At one end has a bulb and bulb is filled with a liquid that is called mercury. Here you will write mercury, 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 and here you will write bulb. And what is this? This is a thermometer. Thermometers, thermometer. Now we will write here this close end is called bulb. bulb, bulb. And this bulb is filled with the liquid that is called mercury. MERCURY, mercury. And this is thermometer. Here we will write thermometer. thermometer, thermometer. This is a thermometer. A thermometer is a closed glass tube. At one end has a bulb. This is bulb. And bulb is filled with a liquid that is called mercury. And this is thermometer. Now, dear students, we will do choose the best answer. Now, we will do choose the best answer. Number 1. Fire gives us heat only, light only, heat and light. Fire gives us, yes, fire gives us heat only. Is it right? No. Light only? No. Heat and light. It means fire gives us heat and light. Number 2. Anything which can do work has energy or molecules. Anything which can do work has energy. Yes, right answer is energy. Cold water has less or more heat than boiling water. Cold water has less heat than boiling water, or we will do cold water has more heat than boiling water. The right answer is cold water has less heat than boiling water. We will mark on less. Then when we heat ice cubes, they become water or water vapors. When we heat ice cubes, they become water. Number last, a thermometer is filled with mercury or oxygen. A thermometer is filled with mercury. Now we will mark on the right option. Fire gives us heat and light. Number 2, anything which can do work has energy. Right answer is energy. Cold water has less heat than boiling water. When we heat ice cubes, they become water. Right answer is water. A thermometer is filled with mercury. Right answer is mercury. Now students, we will recall some point uses of heat energy. Heat keeps our bodies warm. We use heat to iron our clothes. Heat can also things move. Okay students, hope you learned well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.